how to buy Giraffes token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Find your account and show the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screen. It's created 21 days ago and it increased by 7,000% in less than 4 hours. So as you can see, this token it's created under the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token like this and open your Bitget wallet for that. Now, go to your wallet. Now, to be able to add this token to your wallet, what you need to do, you can now select the BNB Smart Chain network from the top right corner, click here. And now, as you can see, select the BNB chain here. Now, click on this little plus icon and you can paste token at Shiba. So as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So after that, go back to your wallet to be able to find your token. So click on this little search icon and you can now type the token name. As you can see, it's called Giraffes, like that. So after you find it, now click on it. So after that, click here on swap. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with. I prefer to use the USDT for that. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy the Giraffes token. And if funds been helpful, please subscribe. See you next week.